Hi, how to fix HEVC video extensions codec missing 0xCOOD5212 error without having to pay anything. It's an easy and quick solution. Stick to the end of the video. First open up Google Chrome. Now copy and paste this link, you can take it from the description. Click on install and wait a few seconds. You don't need to open it. Now go ahead and open any video you'd like. There you go, problem fixed without having to pay. Subscribe with the bell on to stay notified. Don't forget to check all other Windows fixes, tips and tricks. They may help you. Peace out.